Of course, it's only February, but we are looking at what could be record-breaking temperatures. And friends, you're watching at 10 TV News at noon, two native Ohioans. And so, Maddie, I get a little nervous when it's nice like this because I wonder what's coming after it.
You just feel it in your bones.
I do.
Being from Ohio, you just know that this is not normal. No.
Thanks, spring.
It's spring, but we're also still in February. So let's get you outside and talk about today's weather pattern, and then we'll get to those warming conditions over the next couple of days. Now, temperatures right now, generally in the upper 40s to right around 50, but my goodness, look at that wind sustained at 29 miles per hour in the city of Columbus. If you look closely at our camera, it's shaking a little bit, and here's why. We've got wind gusts out there up to 40 miles per hour in London, 39 in Columbus, 44 in Marysville. So it is a very windy afternoon and kind of a shock to the system as you're heading out the door because, yesterday we were comfortable, we were in the 50s, not so much for the day today. Now, those wind gusts that we're dealing with, they will continue at least for the next couple of hours, but after that, we will watch as the winds will die down, especially after about 7 o'clock this evening. Take a look at that forecast. We're seeing winds between 5 and 10 miles per hour, so it's only going to be this short little window that we do have the wind. That's why you'll see that here with your afternoon forecast. Temperatures in the upper 40s to right around 50 with that wind continuing to howl at least for the next few hours. And then we're having increasing clouds heading towards tonight. Now, if you were up early, you may have noticed a little bit of rain that we did have across the area. That frontal boundary is moving on out, and that's why we do have the wind along with it. Now, down towards the south, we're actually watching as a warm front gets its act together. This warm front's going to lift northward, and that will mean showers and thunderstorms for our area come tomorrow morning. Let's show you that all now here in your hour-by-hour forecast. Again, for the rest of the day today, we're kind of stuck in the 40s. We will have clouds kind of increasing as we go through this evening. But heading towards early tomorrow morning, we'll begin to watch as some very light rain moves in around 4 a.m. Some indications are this could start off as freezing rain. Notice temperatures real close to that freezing mark, but I don't think we'll have any issues as far as accumulations with that because temperatures will warm as we go through the morning. And take a look at 7 a.m. We're looking at scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through from south to north across the area. Now, as we go through the afternoon, here's 2 o'clock, maybe some lingering showers. It's not a washout of a day. That is until we get into the evening when more rain arrives. And out ahead of this next round of rain, there will be temperatures in the 60s. So it will be much warmer before that next round kind of moves on through as we go through about 11 o'clock. All right, so here's your forecast. You can see that we have a 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms for our Wednesday. Again, it's not going to rain all day long. There's basically 2 rounds of that. The first is in the morning, the second in the late afternoon to the evening. Now, heading into Thursday, looking pretty nice, but winds will pick up once again. Get ready for a very windy and warm day on Thursday. Highs will be in the 70s, but winds will gust up to 50 miles per hour. So if you think it's windy out there right now, it's actually going to be windier for Thursday. Then here's some colder air for Friday. Highs will be in the 30s. We're in the 40s and 50s for the upcoming weekend.